Mark your calendars because April 7th, 2023 is going to be the start of huge savings for VA borrowers. My name is Saylor Brown. Please be sure to like and subscribe. And today we're going to talk about what those benefits are and how they're going to impact you. Before we get into all the hows and whys, I want to say thank you so much for your service. If you are eligible for a VA loan, there are so many incredible benefits. So let's talk first about who qualifies for a VA loan. Now, if you are an active service member or a veteran, you are eligible for VA as long as you've had 181 days of continuous service. Now, your spouse, as long as you're currently married, can go on that loan with you and take advantage of all the VA benefits. For family members, unfortunately, you would not qualify for a VA loan, so we keep it specific to active service members, veterans, and of course, surviving spouses. If your loved one, if your partner has passed away in the line of duty, you are then eligible for the VA loan as well. So, benefits of the VA loan and traditionally how it's set up is that the biggest advantage, or maybe the most widely known, is that you can do 0% down payment. Now, other benefits is that there is no monthly mortgage insurance on a VA loan like there is for FHA or conventional. And interest rates across the board are going to be lower for VA versus those other loan types. Now, the company that I work for, Guaranteed Rate, we go a step above and waive all of our lender fees for our VA clients as a thank you for their service. So be sure when you're comparing lenders, if lenders are saying, oh, we don't charge these fees, be sure to look at the fine print and make sure that your fees are truly zero on the lending side. Okay, so you clicked on this video to hear about the savings. So here's where they are. Savings are going to be a direct result in your VA funding fee. The VA funding fee applies to any person eligible for a VA loan that does not receive any percentage disability from the VA. So if you do have any disability percentage, your funding fee will always be zero. Again, be sure that your lender is quoting that accurately to you. Now, what the funding fee is it is a percentage of the loan amount spread out over the life of your loan. So let's say that your loan amount is $300,000. There's going to be a percentage charged on that depending on if it's your first use or subsequent use of the VA loan. And then you pay that back over the 30-year period or until you pay it off or refinance, but that's always going to be a part of your payment. Now, come April 7th, 2023, that funding fee is being reduced for first use and additional uses. So what you're going to see is a lower monthly payment. So in addition to home prices decreasing, interest rates getting into a more competitive market, now you're going to have this additional savings to get you in a comfortable monthly payment. Going back to VA usage, is it your first use? Is it your second use? Is it your 10th use? There's a common misconception that VA can only be used a certain number of times, and that's incorrect. So if you are buying a home, then selling, then buying kind of over and over again, you can use your VA loans as many times as you want to. There are even scenarios where you can have a home with a VA loan, buy a new primary home with your VA loan. It all depends on your specific entitlement available. Again, this goes back to why it's so important to work with a lender you trust, a lender who is knowledgeable in the process, because if someone's telling you you can only have one VA loan or you can only have one VA loan at a time, it's simply untrue. So the benefits just keep going. Again, thank you for your service. Thank you for liking, and I look forward to being back on here soon.